Hey everyone, I am going to do a quick tutorial on a fall look. So I'm going to be using some green and brown tones for my eyes, and I'm going to use one of my favorite palettes from Jacklyn Hill and Morphe, as you can see, and I'm going to be using these colors right here, and I think they are so beautiful. I don't know if you can tell. So I am going to be skipping this video and it's going to be fast forwarded so you can see. And here we go. So let's start with the eyebrows. I used a Goof Proof from Benefit in shade number 6. And I fill my eyebrows in, where I don't have hair, which is in the corners, on the sides. And with the spoolie, I just brushed my eyebrows and make them even. And to carve my eyebrows, I will use the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC. And I'm sorry that the picture was backwards. So I used some product to carve my eyebrows, and I will link down below all the products that I used, especially the Morphe brushes, because they are amazing. And I'm dancing because I'm crazy. And for eyeshadow primer, I use my Urban Decay eyeshadow potion, and this helps with pigmentation and it makes your eyeshadow last all day. I love it. And with the Jacklyn Hill palette, I'll be using the shade Smooth Criminal and apply it all over.
You're laughing at me. Why are you laughing at me?
So I'm just applying the dark color all over my crease, and this will make your eyes pop. So just make sure that you blend. That's the key to have the perfect eyeshadow look. And then I use shade Axis, which is a beautiful yellow color, and I'll apply it on top of my crease. And then the darkest shade in Prowl, so I apply it in the outer corner of my eye. And like I said, I will link down all the Morphe brushes. And then for my brow bone, I will use the shade VIP. And with my Max Fix Plus, I wet the brush and I applied Guilt Trip all over my eyelid. I love doing these looks. This is a beautiful yellow gold tone. And this is when my camera died, so I had to record with my iPhone. This is why it looks weird. And then I use the shade Coin in the middle to have a transition shade and fix those sharp edges. And then I use my fingers to have a lot of pigmentation with the color Coin. It works. I love it. And then I use my Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. You can use pencil as well, but this one works and it's great. I'm sure I wasn't breathing here. And now with my face, let's start with the Master Prime from Maybelline, and it's perfect for your pores. And one of my favorite foundations, the NARS Luminous All Day Weightless Foundation in shade Stromboli, which is medium 3. And Goodbye Felicia, that pimple needs to go. And I apply all over my face, and with a Real Technique sponge, yeah, that happens, I just blend the foundation. I blend it out, dab, 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 dab. Get it all over your neck, your forehead. Make sure you don't miss anything. And with my favorite concealer is from Too Faced, and it's Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I love this. And I apply it on my horrible dark circles. So just make sure you blend that out as well. And it also helps to highlight. So that's why I love this concealer. It's super hydrating and full coverage. And now for setting powder, I use the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. It's also one of my favorites. And I don't bake for too long, just like 5 minutes tops. And then I use the ANASTASIA stick foundation in shade Mink. This can be used for contouring as well. And I will give myself a nose job and some cheekbones that I don't have. But I love this foundation stick. It is great. And with my brush, I'll just take the excess out. Like I said, I don't stay for too long. And my favorite bronzer is the MARC JACOBS tan-tastic bronzer. It smells like coconut. It's so good. And the blush palette from Benefit in shade ROCKATOUR. And I applied this on the apple of my cheeks and on top of it as well. Such a pretty shade. And the Light Camera Lashes from Tarte. This mascara is one of the best out there. And my favorite eyeliner from MARC JACOBS. Super black and it lasts all day. And the shade Brow, I will apply it underneath my eyeliner. And I will take the shade Guilt Trip and put it in my inner corner to give that pop. And the Pro Glow highlighter from Tarte in shade Burst is super gorgeous. I love it. I apply it on top of my cheeks, on my nose, and the Cupid's bow as well. And the House of Lashes and mink eyelashes, of course, and my favorite of all time, JEFFREE Star Liquid Lipstick in shade Leo. Best formula out there. Never use anything else. And I'm using a metallic lip gloss from Decay. It's so good. It's so pretty. I will link this down below. Don't worry, guys. And to finish this look, I'll use my MAC Fix Plus. And yes, spray that face. Gotta set it. There you go. And putting my hair down, and that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video and this quick tutorial. If you want to see more, please comment down below and give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Bye, guys.